Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word often used to describe something shockingly bad or evil: heinous. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is heinous. Let's break it down. First, we have H-A-Y, which sounds just like the word hay you feed to horses. Next is nuz, which rhymes with bus. Now let's put it all together. H-A-Y-N-U-H-S. Try repeating after me: heinous. Now a little faster: heinous. And at full speed: heinous. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Heinous is used to describe something extremely wicked, terrible, or evil. For example, the criminal committed a heinous crime, meaning the act was especially awful. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce heinous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.